And deep in the bowels of that piece of shit lies this little fucker I'm about to get. Got it. Ta-da. See that little thing on the floor? That's what was causing all our issues. Here it is. So, all along I bought the right filter. The problem was, this filter looked like this, and it looked so right. And I kept thinking, dang, they make a difference. But it's because this piece was broken off. It goes there, like that. And that's exactly equal to, drum roll please, this guy, the original Samsung water filter. That would not fit, coincidentally. And I kept wondering why it wouldn't fit. Well, now I know. So, if you're having the same issue, YouTubers, I don't really upload videos to YouTube, but somebody needs help out there. You're drinking shitty water. You need to be drinking the good stuff. It ain't healthy for you. So now you can get the correct filter, which is DA2900020B or Bravo. This sucker right here. And it'll fit perfectly now. Or you could just buy a cheap Walmart brand, which is what I had before. Great value. But keep in mind, that cheap brand is going to break in there. The neck will. This one's better built. So just cough up the $50 and save yourself all this labor. Good luck.